The Bishu subgenerator is here. Patreon. If you don't know, I've been going f***ing crazy on it. Bishu subgenerator. I just dropped it. For all your low-end needs, simple hip-hop 808's the most diabolical subs your ears may ever feast on. It does sound super sick. Can't wait to hear what you guys make with it. POG. Compatible with Ableton Live 11 and 12. We're over here. Simple. We got presets on the side. We got length, girth, sauce, width, glide, chaos. Length, obvious. Anyways, let's go through some of the presets. I'm gonna record these too. We're in D minor 150 today, chat. Literally a PR 808. Very simple 808. Cool. But now we go to the next preset. It's called hard. Woo! A little bit more saucy. Not insane. It's just like distorted and like a little like bitty and crushy and chill. But then we go to boom for real. Ooh, it's got width? What the fuck? Got a little, some weird tones in there, for real. Bofi, inspired by Sophie a little bit. Big, it's like a wide sub. It can make a lot of different shit. It is pretty dynamic, and this is just me doing the presets. This is not even like modifying. This one's kind of a drill sub, let's hear it. All right, a couple more samples for you. This video is sponsored by Sonible, and more specifically, Smart EQ4 by Sonible. Smart EQ4 is an AI-powered equalizer.
You've got the perfect mix in mind, and Smart EQ4 will get you there. The fourth generation of Sonible's intelligent equalizer is all about spectral balance on both single channels and entire mixes.
It has automatic parametrization for single track and mixes, group view for spectral mixing via drag and drop, group view for creating unmasking hierarchy of up to 10 tracks, and creates a spectral balance in single tracks, buses, and mixes. The AI-powered results can be tweaked however the user likes, and standard filters can be created simply by double-clicking on the desired frequency area. All the filters have dynamic controls. Here I have a simple almond break. Smart EQ4. Say I want to boost the bass a little bit, make it dynamic. Solo justice frequency. Everything you'd ever want. Synth, strings, speech, even. Keys, guitar, drums, bass. Here I am creating a group. I'm gonna click add instance and then add both of the tracks to the group. From there you can choose your profiles that match the sound. And then Smart EQ will do the rest.
Experience a new angle on EQ with Smart EQ4.
Fog. Back to the video. Anyways, this is the sample for today.
Every once in a while they call her back, but they'll say I'm gonna call you back because you sound like a robot.
You really do, that's weird.
Can you hear what I am saying now?
Anyways, that's the sample. So you basically have a regular bitch battle today with a sample, and then you have some like subs if you want to fuck with them. What am I doing? D minor, 150. La 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 la. Oh, this one's called Algorithm, this preset. 2015 trap is crazy. We could do like a throwback genre kind of vibe. Yeah, so over. All right, we're tapping in Reese. Yeah, that'll do. Algorithmic noises. Are they the same noise? These three are identical, bro. What? Big kick, full time, 150. Wait. Wait! Woo! Make the most diabolical, crazy beat today. Yeah? Let's layer it with the Bishu sub generator. Yeah, 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 yeah. We could probably swap that kick out for something more muted and tame. All right, we're making a beat, making beats. I love beats. All right, big sidechain. Hold on. All right, hold on. Talk about bands. I got bands in Tokyo, I'm banned. None of my sin. I got bands in Tokyo, I'm banned. None of my sin. Okay, cool. Bro! Can you do some gangster vocals on this, dude? Send me an acapella. Fuck yeah. Okay. Old school gangs. Throw. This is 95. It could be worse.
Make that hippity hop, hippity beat hot. I lay up with the up, bitch, she giving me slop. They better pray, but I got never gonna pray. Whoa, if I see the ups, I'm sliding. They better pray. I'm on my grind and I'm never gonna stop. Like whoa, if I see the ups, I'm sliding. They better pray, but I got never gonna pray. Whoa, if I see the ups, I'm sliding. They better pray, but I got never. I feel like a savage, I'm Randy. Under Cadillac, I'm sipping on brandy. We finna slide, just a shot, such a family.
Wait, it's hard here.
Just gonna need a fucking blood me. I'm a gangster. Think they funny some pranksters. I'm a always bang for. No retaliate.
Wait, it's hard, bro. Let's fill it out with some more sounds shot. Woo! Trap clap. Okay. Is there another acapella? Let's see. 138. This shit hard. Alright, I actually love where this is going. Hold on. Your vocal just makes it. Infiltration. What the fuck? This shit's crazy. This shit's fucking crazy. Oh my god, the grandma sample, bro. I forgot. Thanks for the reminder. What's she about to say?
You really do. That's weird.
But I am baby now.
Alright, we got it in. Yeah, let's make it cinematic. Two-minute sample. Let's go.
You really do. That's weird.
Yeah, you hear, but I am baby now.
This is just like a movie weird soundtrack. We're having fun today. Alright, YouTube. So what we made. So what we did. We had fun. We learned things. Let's go.
You really do. That's weird.
Yeah, you hear, but I am baby now.
Dry like frizzy. Yo.
It sounds like a squiggly line. I love it. Go crazy in 2009. 2009's so back though.
British AI Bishu here to let you know that real Bishu streams every Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday at 12 PM Pacific Standard Time. Link to the Twitch in the description. Come through. You won't.
Back in the saddle on a Thursday afternoon, ready to go, ready to hear what you guys made. Run it. Arcade. Starting us off strong, brother. It's epic.
This is a cardinal sin of EDM.
Ghost and Self 2 just dropped. Transition. Oh, this is epic. Oh, the transitions today are gonna be good, chat. Look at that red. Oh, spooky? I love it. Wait! Jaws Bjorn.
Just say I'm gonna call you back and you sound like a robot. Just say I'm gonna call you back and you sound
Fuck with that. Oh, whoa. Oh, the chords! Nice transition attempt too, that was sick. Ow. Ow. Upside down waveform. Australian waveform. That's weird. All this shit fire, man.
That's weird.
Yeah, dude.
whole lot of red. Right. Oh! Damn. Oh man, wait, that was probably my favorite. That was crazy. Really? That's sick too, dude. Love the layers. Zero. I didn't hear a full version of that. That was crazy.
Name something a burglar would not want to see when he breaks into a house.
Oh my god. This mix is nuts. Jackie Grandma!
Huh?
Can you hear what I am saying now?
More. Dirty fumes. Different.
You really do. That's weird.
Hang on. That was sick. More. I need more of that. Christ. Ah, bro, that might be the best rhythm I've heard in like 2 months on the stream.
Tell me that every once in a while they call him backless. They'll say I'm gonna call you back and you sound like a robot.
You really do. That's weird.
Here with
Can
you.
you hear what I am
Absurd. I love that sound design. Holy shit.
Tell me that every once in a while they call him backless. They'll say I'm gonna call you back and you sound like a robot.
You really do. That's weird.
Can you hear what I am saying now? Can you hear what? Can you hear what?
You silly fuck. That was dope. Tails! Woohoo! Spencer! Woohoo!
I be fucking blessed to have this life.
You really do. That's
But I
weird.
can't feeling dead inside. I can't feeling dead inside. Dead
vocal.
inside, dead inside. You really my life, yeah. Show me there's a better life, yeah. I ain't fight this way now,
Cool. I like your vocal.
fucking blessed to have this.
Endless.
You really do.
They'll say I'm gonna call you back. I'm gonna call you back.
You really do.
That snare is great. Actually crazy fucking submissions today, man. Holy.
Here we go, chat. Poll has begun. And ladies and gentlemen, it will be Vide. What a battle. Congratulations, Vide, brother.
Big.
I appreciate you. Come through the Twitch. Link in description, YouTube. You know what it is and how it be. Link in the description for the Patreon as well if you wish to get the sauce. Get the new and improved and not improved because it's just new. Bishu subgenerator. Make your dope low end even doper. I appreciate you. Thank you very much for watching and swag.
Come through to the Twitch.